You set your love upon us. You choose us as your people, love above. With your loving kindness, you have drawn us to be one with you and to worship in the beauty of holiness. Lord, we praise you for your mercy lasts forever. Faithful God, Holy One, Lord, your mercy flows to generation, everlasting God. We rise and sing your praise in Zion. You redeem us with your blood. Turn our mourning into dance. We